In this video, you'll learn how to add a profile picture on Envato. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully updated your account with a new image that represents you on the platform. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Envato website. Once there, locate the login section, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your registered email address and password to access your account. It is important to ensure you are using a secure device to protect your account information. After you log in, you will be taken to your account's dashboard. Next, find the profile section in the top menu. This area allows you to manage various aspects of your account, including personal information and settings. Click on your profile icon or name to access the drop-down menu where you will see an option labeled Profile Settings. Selecting this will direct you to the settings page specifically for your profile. Within the profile settings, look for the option that mentions editing or changing your profile picture. This is often labeled as Change Profile Picture or simply Profile Picture. Click on this option to bring up the upload interface. At this point, you have the choice to upload an image from your computer or select one from your existing images if that feature is available. Ensure that the image you choose meets Envato's size and format requirements, as failing to do so may result in errors during the upload process. Select the image you wish to upload from your device. After the selection, the upload will begin, which may take some time depending on your internet speed and the file size of the image. Once the upload is complete, you may have the option to adjust the crop or positioning of your picture. Take a moment to ensure that your image appears as you want it to. When you are satisfied with the appearance of your new profile picture, look for the button that says Save or Update and click it to apply your changes. After saving, it is advisable to refresh your profile page to confirm that your new profile picture is visible. If you do not see the update immediately, you may need to wait a few moments or clear your browser cache. Your profile is now successfully updated with your new image, enhancing your presence on Envato, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along and see you next time.